ZGRILLS sent another pit. Wood pellet grills. This model is the 1000D E3, the barbecue legend. So ZGRILLS was kind enough to send this to me. Once again, big shout outs to ZGRILLS for hooking it up. They send their pellets. So let's take a look at this bad boy. Before we take a look at this, before I uncover this, let me show you guys how I built this. I try to do it in detail for you guys so it can be easy built. There was a few mistakes that I did, but hey, and I'm gonna put them in there so you guys can see and don't do it yourself. So let's get to the unboxing. Let's get down to it. Look at that grilling set tool. Sweet deal, guys. Check this cast iron out. Man, bet you we can do a lot of good little things on this. I seen it online. It's a memorial bundle. When I ordered it, it was a Mother's Day bundle. So I'm sure by the time you guys see this video, it should be a Father's Day bundle. So all you guys can buy your husband a Father's Day gift. This would be a perfect gift for them. All right, let's go to the next box. So let's crack the bigger box. See what's in this bad boy. You already know, we got the ZGRILLS cover. All right, guys, there it is. I gutted it all out, and I got all the parts on this table. As you can see, it's everywhere. I got parts on the ground, down here. Let's put this bad boy together. After reading the instructions, pretty easy, guys, pretty straightforward. This is the bottom base, this is the front, and this is the back. And the way you can tell this is the front, only because of these little two knobs here. This is where your magnet is going to go for your cabinets. So there's two different type of casters. One has a brake, and this one doesn't have a brake. So all you're gonna do is just tighten it up. That's it. We can come back with the wrench and tighten the rest. For now, we're gonna just do it by hand. Pretty quick, pretty easy. That's hand tight. Come in here with the wrench that they provided and just tighten this bad boy up. That's it. Pretty easy. And for this one, just hand tight as well. The next step is we're gonna flip this bad boy over. All right, guys. So obviously the two little holes, I'm gonna go ahead and screw it in. Pretty easy, pretty simple. So you see those two little holes facing the magnets. Pretty simple, right? And the same thing with this door, door 34. You see the two notches. Make sure they face forward, because this is where the doors are going to be at. So it's going to take 4 screws. You see the sticker where it says up, right, for the magnetic doors, and then just 2 screws on each side. This goes right on top. Just like that. It's nice and snug. Basically, these plates here that I took off, all it was is to protect the grill from not getting bent or damaged. So that's all this was. Let's go ahead and mount that grill on here. I did a small boo-boo. Let's go ahead and take these off real quick. So we're gonna go ahead and put this plate right here. All right, guys, boo-boo after boo-boo. This plate, it's backwards. I need to take it off. Alrighty. it goes this way, not the other way I had it. All right, let's put this back in. That is done. Little clipper up there. Insert it there, push this down, find that little slot, fill it with the finger. Simple as that, guys. Solid. Looking pretty good. Look at that. Magnetic. The magnet is pretty strong. Like I said earlier, you can put your pellets down there. You can put whatever you guys want. Close this up. I love it because it has that extra storage. So this is your ashtray catcher. Sweet, right, guys? And I was wondering, how come they had two handles? Well, there's my answer. I just gotta attach this handle. Pretty sweet, huh, guys? This is where all your ashes go. Easy clean out. Man, it's gonna be awesome, guys. And today we're gonna do the burn off on the ZGRILLS, and I'm gonna cook up a little something for Memorial Day weekend. Stick around, let's do the burn off. All right, guys, the instruction says pull everything out. So let's go ahead and do that. The reason we're pulling out all the grates so we can see the pellets when they drop into the fire pot. We're also gonna check if the auger is moving to feed the fire pot. So let's check that out. In this case, we're gonna go ahead and power it on, and we're gonna put it down on smoke cycle. So the auger's turning. Make sure there's nothing in there. No quarters, no keys, no bolts, no screwdrivers. They'll break it. All right, since that's working, let's move on to the fire pot. Yep, we're starting to get some warmth now. That didn't take very long at all. At this point, we're gonna just power off, and the fan should take about 10 minutes to shut off. The fan that feeds the fire pot, which creates fire. So we'll wait 10 minutes and then we'll go to the next step, guys. Stick around. So the fan has shut off. Let's go ahead and add our wood pellets. And we're gonna add the Hickory brand. All right, we'll go ahead and close that up. All right, guys, next step is power on. We're gonna turn the dial all the way to high. So all we're waiting is for the pellets to drop down. Once it drops down, we're gonna go ahead and shut it off and wait 10 minutes, and then we'll go to the next step. All right, guys, fan shut off. We're gonna put the dial on smoke. Once it's on smoke, let's go to the fire pot. We're gonna go ahead and wait until this fire is up. Once it fires up, we're gonna shut it down one more time, and then we'll be ready. All right, guys, this is the last and final step. All right, guys, that was fast, very quickly. Okay, now that you see all the smoke coming out, we know that the fire pot is ignited with those pellets. We're gonna turn this bad boy all the way to high. It's 450. I'm gonna let all this smoke, white smoke, dissipate a little bit, and then we'll close the lid. All right, smoke is gone. Let's go ahead and close this up. I'll see you guys in 45 minutes. Whew, I already can smell this manufactured oil and all the debris that's in there. It smells a little funky. Make sure you do this somewhere where nobody's gonna be around and they're gonna smell this junk. All right, guys, bring it back in 1 hour. Starting to smell. I'm gonna go inside and chill. Stick around, guys. An hour passed. The ZGRILLS is ready to cook on. Let me show you really quick what it looks like on the inside. The only thing I'm gonna do is just wipe it down a little bit with some oil, take the grates out, and I'm gonna wrap this with foil, and then you're ready to cook. That was simple and easy. The burn off. I know there's a lot of little steps we got to take, but it's necessary. It's what the instructions say. So good luck on your cooking, and hopefully this video helps you out with the burn off. With that said, I'm gonna go inside and prep some ribs and start the next video. So if you want to see that video, stick around. It should be coming out next week. All right, and gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. You know the drill. Like, share, subscribe. Help me out, man. I need about 200 subscribers to hit that 2,000. It'd be greatly appreciated. Gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Catch you guys later.